This Disney-themed trivia board game invites players to test their knowledge of Disney and Pixar characters, movies, songs, and so much more. Players spin to move around a Mickey Mouse-shaped board, answer category-based questions, and collect tokens in different colors. The first to gather all tokens and reach the finish line wins. With content for both kids and adults, it's a fun, family-friendly challenge. Top 5 highlights: unique and visually fun layout, Disney-themed categories such as animation, film, song, personalities, and Mousellaneous. It encourages strategic play, kid and adult question levels for all ages, and you can choose your favorite character to travel the board. Ready to bring the magic home? Grab your own copy from the Amazon link in the description below.